Hey, it's Isaac with Release the Aviation Cleaner, and today we're doing a product spotlight on our ready-to-use 20-to-1 dilution, our 32-ounce hand sprayer. So you can buy this dilution right from our website. It's a ready-to-use, so all you got to do is take it out of the box and get ready to spray. So this spray bottle has a 20-to-1 dilution in it, which is our strongest formula that we recommend mixing to. Another cool feature about this bottle is that once you're done using all the product inside of it, if you decide to buy some concentrate, you can actually use this just like a regular 32-ounce spray bottle and add the concentrate in and dilute it yourself to have more release in this same bottle. Thanks for watching today's product spotlight on our 32-ounce hand sprayer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to drop them below and we'll be happy to help.